Guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do something special. I know I look like a dog because I'm showing a channel of a dog. It's named Saki. She is in my house. There's a picture. So she was a picture of that right now. But we're going to do something special today. We're going to, dogs are going to crash onto a dog airplane into a wall. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, the airplane should come. Okay, the airplane will come. Okay, the door's open. Let's go in it. Are you ready? Yes. Then let's go. Ah, we're going too I hurt so bad. Let's go to the hospital. When she got into the hospital later. Okay, what's your emergency? I fell off an airplane and I hit the wall and I fell and I got hurt. Okay, I'll do that. You're gonna make it. Yay! Let's go back home. When she got home later. I know. It's gotta be back.
It's hilarious here.
I'll watch it on TV. Watch our videos in my channel. Thanks.